I have made a very simple program to simulate the idea of sales target versus actual target. It's a very simple program. Just to try to, I will explain you that. For example, this is a file targets. This is a sales target file, and this is the Excel file in which targets are defined. For example, month wise, January target for electronics is this, for clothing is this, and for furniture target is this. Okay, so month wise, January, February, March, April, May, June, these are the targets for these categories: electronics, clothing, and furniture. So these are the targets which are defined. And the another file we have like sales actual. So these are the, like, these are the targets, and this is the actual target file. Like in actual what happened. So in actual, these are the actual figures for month wise, electronic, clothing, and furniture. So actual file is this. So what we want to do in this program, we want to get take input of the targets which was set, and then what are the actual figures, and based on that we want to create different graphs, bar charts, pie chart, etc. So here what happened that in this code you will see targets.csv. I have already taken as input here target.csv. Okay, so this is the set file. Now I will run the code from here, and it will ask me to select the actual file. Okay, so target file is already there in the program, and I am selecting the actual file. So I will select the sales underscore actual file. Okay, and then it will load it, and then it will process, and after that the processing complete, it will ask me to uh, like generate the graphs. So I will click here, and it's created the sales performance for electronics. So let's try to analyze what actually it's saying. It's saying that in January, uh, the this is the target and this is the actual. Okay, so it is saying in January, let me open both file for target. So in January the target was uh, 12,000. Okay, so okay, you can notice the target is 12,000. And what was the actual? So actual, I will open this file. It is saying there's 11,800. So 11,800, this is the actual. So based on that you can notice it is the it has created the graph for sale performance, like what was the planned and what was the actual value. Okay, now let me create the next graph. I have to close this window. Now it has created the sales variance for June. So now it has created the variance for June. It is saying that the variance was 600 in for electronics. So how it is saying, let's compare it. It is saying that for electronics 14,500 was the planned value, like the target value, and 15,000 was the actual value. So there is a variance of 500. So you can notice from here it is how it's calculating for the electronic section. Okay, now I will close this graph. Then it has created the total sales target versus actual. So how actually it is creating, let me show you from here. It is showing me that in the January the total was 25,000, and the actual was 26,800. So how it is calculating, actually, let me show you from here. um, like the planned value, I will select sum up like this. Okay, 25,000. So how it is calculating, it is 25,000 the planned value, the total target. And in actual, what happened? So I've opened the actual file, and let me sum up from here. It is showing me 24,800. Okay, so this is the actual value. So how it is now creating, you can notice that planned versus actual, or target versus actual, this is the figure how it's creating. So it's a very simple program, friends, which is basically created using the Python and the Pandas library. And I will upload it on the GitHub as well, so you can access the code from there as well. Thank you.